Now we understand partition method. Syntax for partition: string dot partition and value. Let's take an example. I'm taking text variable and writing welcome to our channel. Now we take another variable and write text dot partition, and here we give value from where we want to partition this string. Now print x, shift enter. So what it is giving? It is giving tuple with 3 elements. If I am giving 2 string values before 2 and after 2 is before 2 is 1 element and after 2 is 1 element, and the partition value we have given, that is 1 element. So it is returning tuple. Tuple we will understand in next lectures, but tuple is always in braces. So this is giving 3 values, welcome to our channel. 2 we have given value here. So this is partition method. Let's take another example. I am writing text equal to again welcome to our channel, and then again new variable and text dot partition, and then here I am giving a value like Rahul name. But what happens, as this is not in my string, so let's see, print. So it is giving whole string as 1 element and then 2 empty strings because Rahul is not present. So it is searching for Rahul but it is not present, so it is considering whole string as a 1 element and other 2 element with empty string. Partition method always returning a tuple with 3 elements. So this is our partition method.